Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a review on the Morphe 35M palette. Looks like this. So if you guys want to know if you guys should purchase this palette or you guys shouldn't, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep watching.
All night and everything alright. No complaints with my body, so flow resting under these lights.
The first color I'll be taking will be this one. So I am going for like kind of that half circle around my eye. And I'm just applying this shade all over my crease, in the outer crease and in my inner crease. Second color I will be applying is going to be this one. Again, I like to pull my eye a little bit so I can get in there really good. All I'm doing is tapping motions. Applying this one. So here I am. I tried it. I've been blending out these colors and I'm not having any trouble blending them out. They blend like butter. They are super soft and creamy. So far so good with this palette. I've tried it before on my last video and I really liked it as well. So I was like, why not try it one more time, you know, to see if it is really good or if it was just me having a good day that day. They are so soft and you're not going to have a hard time blending it out because they are super easy to blend. I also like that the pigmentation is what it shows you on the palette. It's a really good palette for fall, or in general, it's a really good palette. It's really pretty. So the way I'll be cutting my crease is going to be like in a half circle because I am doing a halo eye. To blend out my base, I will be using this color. For the center, I will be taking this color. I'll just apply a little bit of that first shade that we used, just to blend it out a little bit more. And I'm just applying a little bit of black shadow on the outer and inner corner, just to give it that little extra pop. I will be applying a little bit of eyeliner, that way I can hide my lash line. My eyelashes that I will be using are these. I always like to apply my mascara from the very root of the eyelash. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face on camera. I'm not gonna tell you all the products that I'm using, how I'm doing it. I'm just gonna do it real quick. That way I can go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing for my under eye. So for my under eye, I will be taking this shade and then this shade. For my inner corner, I'll just take a little bit of my highlight. I love this highlight. So pigmented. To highlight my brow bone, I'll be taking this shade. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys enjoyed my review. And if you guys did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would seriously appreciate it. And hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. Alright guys, well I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!